Stop. Are you going to throw that TV away, Dad?
Yes, son, it's broken, and the technician told me that I'm going to spend a lot of money to fix it, so I'm throwing it away.
No, Dad, don't throw that TV away. Because I have discovered a secret that the TV technicians don't want you to know. We can fix that TV at home with only one screwdriver and your cell phone's lantern.
You're kidding me, son. That's impossible. The technician told me that it will take a lot of money to fix it.
Yes, Dad, trust me. Let's take the TV back home and it will be just like new. Let's go.
How come we're gonna leave it like new if it doesn't turn on, son?
Watch this, Dad, because probably to fix that TV, it's way easier than you think. Take a look. First thing I gotta do is to find out if the screen is broken or not. In order to do that, I plug the cable on the wall, turn off all the lights, and now that with your cell phone's flashlight, I lit up the TV screen. And look at this, Dad. Take a look. Can you see the apps inside?
Yes, I see.
So, that means that the problem is very simple and I can fix it myself. So, to fix the TV, Dad, first thing I'm gonna do is to put it upside down because now with the help of the screwdriver, I have to take off all the screws from the back of the panel. And now I'm going to remove the back cover and pay close attention here to make sure that I'm not going to damage any of the components. First thing I'm gonna do is to disconnect the speaker's cables. I'm gonna take them off and keep them in a safe place. Now take a look at this, Dad. Do you see these locks in here?
Yes, I see.
I need to unlock them one by one so I can remove the frame of the TV. Now pay close attention, Dad. I need to disconnect these two flat cables very carefully connected to the screen. Now I can remove the screen and put it in a safe place because it's very delicate.
But the TV is completely disconnected and you haven't told me what's the problem, son.
I'm going to show you the problem now, Dad. I just need to remove this white paper. Do you see these little dots, Dad?
Yes, I see.
These are the LEDs of your TV.
LEDs?
Yes, and they are responsible to lit up your TV screen. If the LEDs are broken, just like these ones, that they didn't lit up, the image of your TV will be black, darkened. You won't be able to see anything. So, to solve this problem, Dad, I'm going to replace these old broken LEDs with those new ones. Do you see that?
Yes, I see.
You are going to save a lot of time and money with this procedure. Because instead of taking the TV to the technical support, where they charge you a ton of money, you will be able to perform the same procedure at home. Because it's very simple to do that, right?
Yes, it is.
The LEDs are replaced, Dad. Now we just have to put all the covers back. I just put back this white part. I put the screen, unplug the TV so I can connect the screen cables, put the frame back, and in the end, I put the back cover and the screws. Now the moment of truth has come, Dad. I plug the TV on the wall and we will see. It's on. Let's wait a while for the TV to initiate. The screen is all black. Look at this, Dad. The TV that you were going to throw away because the technician said it will be very expensive to fix. And now we left it working just like new at home, only using a screwdriver and your cell phone flashlight, Dad.
It really worked, son. And with your skills, I saved a ton of money.